President Duterte directing the MWSS, Maynilad and Manila Water to release water supply from the Angat Dam, enough to augment areas in Metro Manila affected by the shortage for the next 5 months. The President wants the order implemented by Friday noon, or else he will personally hold officers of these agencies accountable.
Actually, pikon na rin siya, no? But I think the recommendation that were given to him are not the right recommendation.
Apparently, the President is misinformed. MWSS Administrator Ray Velasco has reached out to Malacanang to explain the problem. Velasco says it stems from the failure of Manila Water to operate its water treatment plant in Cardona, Rizal by December last year, which should have augmented water supply for its consumers.
Unfortunately, nagkaroon ng problema. So, in the meantime, nawala yon, anong ginagamit nila? Lamesa Dam. So, ngayon na kailangan nilang Lamesa Dam, naubos na.
Velasco says the President's order is impossible to do for now.
We have actually released all the water already that can be accommodated sa Lamesa Dam. And that's about 4,000 milliliters per day. So that is not the solution. Ang solution itong ginagawa natin ngayon.
Among these solutions for the two utility firms to share supply. On Friday, Maynilad opened one of its water valves in Quezon City to begin distributing its supply to Manila Water.
Nagkataon lang po na meron pong kaunting surplus si Maynilad, kaya ito po yung itutulong namin doon sa Manila Water.
Kasama po yun sa concession agreement na mag-sharing ng water in cases of emergency.
Maynilad is initially allocating 50 million liters per day to Manila Water in a bid to help ease the supply gap.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Maynilad.
Another short-term solution, cut supply in areas where there is normal water quantity and redirect it to areas with no water at all.
Dino-lower po namin yung pressure para po ma-extend po natin yung supply sa mas maraming nakukover na area. At kailangan magsakripisyo po ng konti yung iba para makinabang po yung iba.
There are also calls for government to be more lenient in allowing the use of deep wells.
Although this is not allowed by law right now, but because since there is a crisis, we should have a liberal interpretation of the law right now.
Pressure is mounting on Manila Water to find more ways to deliver water to its growing number of affected consumers. Its Cardona plant has begun partial operations, but it can only initially provide supply to Rizal Province. Despite some of its quick fix, it remains unclear when the public can get a relief from the water shortage.
The timeline should be you ask Manila Water. As far as we are concerned, we have given them what they need. Ang problema ngayon, paano gawin yan? Kasi distribution, operation is theirs.
This area in West Avenue, Quezon City is just one of 5 initial locations where the water valves of Manila Water and Maynilad are interconnected. It was opened Friday, so Maynilad can start sharing its supply with Manila Water. But this arrangement, which they call cross-border flow supply, may take some time before it could reach consumers. The water supply passing through the pipelines in this area has to be subjected to testing since these valves have remained closed for quite some time. David Santos, CNN Philippines.